Good morning, greetings. I'm Maya Mojo from Healing Herbs and Livity Company, where we heal with love and plants. You know, you heal yourself, you heal the world. So, what do you drink in the morning? What do you drink? Do you drink coffee? Are you still one of those? You're still doing the whole coffee thing? Well, I don't know if you ever considered changing it up, but one thing I realized healing my body through a challenging illness is that mushrooms are very helpful. We all know about like penicillin and all the, ones that have been modernized by man. But do you know about chaga and reishi and lion's mane? Well, some of these you might not be familiar with, but they're used in these wonderful blends that have been created for coffee replacement. So instead of depleting the body, you're gonna create more natural supportive energy. Give thanks. Let's check them out. Medicinal mushrooms have been used for centuries. And even though you may know about penicillin, which is very common in our culture, there's a lot of wild mushrooms that also have many useful benefits. So including mushrooms in your daily life will provide you with a lot of amino acids and B vitamins. Mushrooms also have a lot of fiber that will help the digestive system. And some mushrooms, like reishi, for instance, it really helps many different things, but it is a tonic and it can be taken daily. So you're going to see reishi is one of the ones, and chaga and lion's mane are some of the mushrooms that you'll see in these morning coffee substitutes. Give thanks. I always encourage you to make your own tea and experiment on your own and do some research. But this is chaga. Chaga is known to improve cardiovascular health, and it has a lot of antioxidants. We're going to put it in the crock pot on low for a couple hours with some root. If you don't want to prepare anything yourself and want to try one of these delicious blends that are already prepared for you, try one of these blends. That Sigmatic 4 is really a nice one, and it also has some coffee in it. So if you're replacing your coffee, this might be a good transition one. Some of the other ones are really delicious. I love the Mudwater brand as well, and the Rise brand. I personally don't like a lot of caffeine, so those really are wonderful. So, did you want to try one of these delicious mushroom blends that are already prepared? I did leave you a link in the description, so you can order it from there if you'd like. And also, go ahead and try other wild mushrooms. Make sure that they are not dangerous, and there's even mushroom identifiers for apps. But or you could even just go to your library and get a mushroom book to make sure. But chicken of the woods is one in Michigan that is in season, and if you have this one, it is truly a treat. So I wanted to mention that too. I made some chicken of the woods mushroom jerky, and we also marinated it and breaded it and fried it and made chicken tenders, and it's delicious. It's a really delightful way to get some healthy nutrition for your kids too. So give thanks and praises for the bless up of mushrooms. Cheers. So this is my first attempt at chicken of the woods jerky. I love mushroom jerky, but I had never tried to make it myself. So I heard that ripping it was a little better because it gets that kind of, hearty texture like a jerky. And I added pepper and paprika, Tony chicory seasoning, which I just love so much. And you can't see on here, but there's also pepper and ginger, and I also added barbecue sauce and a little bit of smoke flavor. And I learned that you do have to cook it before you dehydrate it. So here you see me putting it on the dehydrator, and I let it dehydrate for about 3 hours at 145, and it came out really delicious, and it's chewy and sweet and spicy, and I'm so excited to take it on my adventure this week. Remember, stay in touch and like and subscribe so we can share some more healthy, conscious living information and give you tips on wonderful healing herbs. Give thanks. Heal yourself, heal the world. One love. Connect with us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. See you there. Oh, I almost forgot. If you want a dehydrator or if you need one and you get it through that link that's in the description, then I get a small percentage of that. So being an Amazon affiliate. So I give thanks and praises for getting me one step closer to getting my husband here. And go ahead and check out the information in the description and we'll see you soon. One love.